Hello everyone, and here you can see that we are there on a page called as UClassify.com, and this is actually a machine learning web service where we can actually create our own models and using text classifiers. So it's like more oriented towards the branch of artificial intelligence, which uh, studies about texts, which we also call as NLP, natural language processing. So there are a lot of features over here, and the moment we come to this particular website over here, it's all about you just have to click on try online, and you'll be getting a lot of classifiers. So whatever topic we have, whatever lessons we have, and if this has to get classified under one type of anything, it could be sentiment, it could be emotions, it could be gender, it could be uh, age analyzer. So we've got all those things. These are some of the public classifiers which could be used by us. So say for example, if I click on sentiment over here, now whatever text I have, say for example I type I am happy, or I have a collection of some paragraphs or statements as a feedback from one of my workshop, I can just bring all of them and put it over here, and just click on classify. The moment I do that, you can see that it's a positive sentiment, it's a negative sentiment. So we can get an understanding of what is the major classification of the complete content that we have. So here I had written I'm happy, so I have this response of positive. So let me come back and see if any other classifier, gender analyzer. So say for example, so he is a good boy. So I just to write a statement of he's a good boy, probably it should say that it's a male. And the moment I click on classify, okay, it says that it's female and male. It's dominating female. So there's some problem with this classifier over here. So probably sufficient amount of data is not given to this classifier, and hence it's not working out properly. Let's go with one more classifier. So these are public classifiers created by people around across the globe. So depending upon the requirement, you can come over here and see. Let's go with text language and type how are you. Let me see if it properly says that it's English. I click on classify. Yeah, it says that it's English. We have so many other languages mentioned over here. So depending upon the requirement, you just type a particular statement on a certain language, and it will give us that particular language. So sometimes there are instances where you do not know what language that script actually belongs to, so we can actually bring it over here and classify. So this uclassify.com is one kind of a place wherein you can have multiple classifiers and determine whatever you want, of course depending upon the requirement. So you can actually log in as well over here. So here in my case, I have an ID and password. So the moment I get into it, it's a free account, and you can actually create your own classifiers as well. So here I had created a classifier called as happy and sad, and the moment I type it, you can see you can classify the text. But before classifying the text, we need to go to the classes and define them. So the moment I typed happy, I had got 7 words, and those were unique. So similarly, I can add one more class called as sad. Say for example, I click on add a class, and here I click on sad and add words like worry. Then I can write not happy, dull, negative, whatever words I want. I can keep typing over here and click on train. Now right after the train option, this thing gets trained over here. Now I can go back to classify and type say for example, today it's a dull day. Now it'll classify it to be okay. It's saying happy and sad both. So I think it requires more number of words for it to understand what is the difference between happy and sad. Let's go with I am a good boy. Let's see, it should dominate. Happy should dominate. Again, it's 50-50. uh, Today the weather is good. I classify that. Okay, today the day is good. Okay, again it comes with happy and sad. So probably I'll go to classes. I'll go to happy. It has got 7 words. I'll write joy, interesting, um, fantastic, things like that, and I click on train. Okay, 13 words. I'll go with classify back again. Now, it was an awesome day. I don't know if it'll be able to understand awesome because we have never given that. So it's getting confused. But if I write it was a fantastic day and then classify, probably it'll work. Yeah. So in this way it actually requires more number of data, and you can actually go to classes and you can define your own entity. You can have as many as possible. You can keep on adding classes, and at least 100 words for each classes will be giving us good results. So this is something that you have created, and it's there. So suppose if you want to use public classifiers, all you have to do is go to the top and select whatever you want and bring the context to that particular area here, and just click on classify. You'll get the result: happy, upset, and things like that. Yep. Thank you so much.